Imagine if two simple ingredients in your kitchen could revolutionize your health. Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick around, because what I'm about to share with you could change the way you treat everything from skin conditions to joint pain, and even help detoxify your body. In this video, I'm diving deep into a miracle mix that's been used for centuries: castor oil and baking soda. This isn't just a home remedy, it's a health powerhouse with astonishing benefits. Keep watching to the end to learn about some remarkable benefits of this miracle mix and how you can start using it today. But here's the kicker. Not only can it soothe your skin, but this duo can potentially help with more serious conditions too. Intrigued? Good. Let's dive into this health secret that could be hiding in your pantry right now. Now, before I jump into the how and why, let's talk history. Why have cultures from ancient Egypt to modern times leaned on castor oil for its miraculous healing properties? Meanwhile, baking soda has a rich history as a powerful agent, not just in the kitchen, but in health remedies too. When you combine these two, you create a potent formula that can tackle an impressive range of health issues. What happens when you combine these two? Spoiler alert, the results are beyond impressive. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to use this miracle mix, but also why it works so well and the science behind it. And also, why is baking soda, something so simple, used for so much more than cooking? So buckle up, because I am about to reveal some unique health benefits that can transform your life. You'll want to stick around for this because, trust me, it's a game changer. But before that, let's start with the basics. I'll be diving deep into how and why this combination works so well and how you can benefit from it. But first, let's start with the history of this amazing mix and why it's still trusted today. Imagine yourself in the ancient Roman Empire, where healers used castor oil to treat everything from wounds to skin infections. Fast forward to today, and it's still used in natural medicine. Combine it with baking soda, and you've got a remedy that's been handed down through generations. This is not just folklore, it's backed by science. In fact, studies have shown that castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a potent anti-inflammatory that helps soothe pain, while baking soda is a powerful neutralizer used in modern medicine to balance acidity. Together, they work like a tag team, amplifying each other's effects. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Castor oil doesn't just heal the skin. It penetrates deep, boosting blood circulation, speeding up healing, and even enhancing lymphatic drainage, which helps detoxify your body. Pair that with baking soda's cleansing power, and you've got an all-natural detox system at your fingertips. So, how exactly can this castor oil and baking soda mix change your life? I know that you find this video informative so far, and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outward to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it. Then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Let's break it down, one incredible benefit at a time. Pain and inflammation. Relief dealing with joint pain, arthritis or muscle aches. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory powers can rival that of over-the-counter drugs. Add baking soda, And you've got a solution that penetrates deep, easing pain at the source. It's a soothing, all-natural remedy without the harsh side effects of pharmaceuticals. For centuries, people have applied this mixture to their sore joints and muscles, finding relief that goes beyond the surface. Skin healing and elasticity. Struggling with dry, flaky, irritated skin? This mixture of castor oil and baking soda deeply hydrates and boosts collagen, which makes your skin more elastic and youthful, while baking soda gently exfoliates dead skin cells, allowing the oil to penetrate deeper, leaving your skin glowing and refreshed, and balances the skin's pH. The result? Soft, supple skin with fewer signs of aging and irritation. Regular use can even reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Wound healing and scar reduction. Got a pesky scar or wound that just won't heal? Applying a mix of castor oil and baking soda to cuts or bruises to accelerate healing and reduce scarring. Castor oil helps regenerate new skin cells, while baking soda cleanses the wound, promoting faster recovery. Antimicrobial superpower. Need a natural defense against bacteria and fungi. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of this mix make it perfect for treating conditions like acne, ringworm, and athlete's foot. It creates a hostile environment for harmful microorganisms, clearing your skin naturally. This duo excels at keeping infections at bay. Castor oil and baking soda make a powerful antimicrobial team. Hair and scalp health. Your hair deserves some love too. Castor oil has been known to boost hair growth and reduce dandruff. When combined with baking soda, it removes product buildup, and you'll have a clean, nourished scalp that encourages healthier hair growth, and allowing the oil's nutrients to penetrate deeper. Stronger, shinier hair is just one treatment away. Digestive relief. Ever used a castor oil compress for digestive issues? This remedy isn't just for your skin and hair. Castor oil has been used for digestive issues like bloating and constipation. Combined with baking soda, it can alleviate bloating, indigestion, and even cramps by balancing the pH in your gut. When applied as a compress, especially when paired with baking soda, it can soothe the digestive system and help ease discomfort. Natural detox. Feeling sluggish and weighed down? This combination helps stimulate the lymphatic system drainage, helping your body in flushing out toxins. Detoxify and remove harmful substances. A regular castor oil and baking soda compress can leave you feeling lighter and more energized. Alleviating allergic reactions. If you've ever had a skin allergic reaction, or if you suffer from allergies or skin irritations, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Castor oil's soothing qualities combined with baking soda's neutralizing effect can calm inflamed skin and reduce irritation quickly. Joint mobility and flexibility. Got stiff joints? Whether from arthritis or just wear and tear, castor oil mixed with baking soda can improve flexibility and reduce stiffness and inflammation. This natural remedy can help make movement easier and less painful. Perfect for those suffering from arthritis or simply looking to enhance their mobility. Stretch marks and scar fading. Want smoother skin? This mixture can work wonders, gradually fading stretch marks and scars. Castor oil boosts collagen production while baking soda exfoliates. Consistent use will result in clearer, softer skin, leaving your skin smoother and more even-toned over time. Soothes tired eyes. If you have puffy tired eyes after a long day or a sleepless night, apply a gentle castor oil and baking soda mixture around your eyes to reduce swelling and brighten the area. This will leave you looking refreshed. Restores nail health, brittle or fungal infected nails. Castor oil strengthens brittle nails while baking soda keeps infections at bay, helping you grow healthy, strong nails. Reduces acne and skin irritations. Struggling with acne or irritated skin? If you're dealing with acne, the antimicrobial properties of both ingredients fight bacteria while soothing inflammation. The combo of castor oil and baking soda clear your skin by reducing bacteria and naturally treating acne without harsh chemicals. Oral health. You can even use baking soda for dental hygiene, reducing plaque and freshening breath, while castor oil soothes inflamed gums. Did you know baking soda is already used in many toothpaste brands for its ability to fight plaque? Combine it with castor oil to soothe inflamed gums and keep your mouth healthier overall. And that's not all! I've just scratched the surface of how this castor oil and baking soda combination can enhance and revolutionize your health. But there's one secret use that I haven't shared yet. It's coming up at the end of the video and you won't want to miss it. Trust me, this final benefit might just surprise you. But the most fascinating use of this mix is still to come, and you won't believe how it can help improve your overall wellness. Keep watching to find out the secret benefit that will completely change how you think about these two simple ingredients. How do you actually use this miracle mix? Well, there are different methods depending on the ailment, but here's a quick tip for all you busy folks out there. A castor oil and baking soda paste can work wonders overnight. Apply it to your skin, joints, or even over your stomach for digestion issues, and let the magic happen while you sleep. Now that you know the benefits, you're probably wondering, how exactly do you use it? Here's a quick breakdown of the best ways to apply this mix for maximum results. For pain relief, mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda and apply it to sore joints or muscles. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes, then rinse off. For even better results, use a warm compress. For skin issues, combine 1 tablespoon of castor oil with a teaspoon of baking soda and apply it to irritated or dry skin. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing. For wounds and bruises, apply the mixture directly to the wound for faster healing, repeating 2 to 3 times daily. For hair health, massage the mix into your scalp, leave for 20 minutes, then wash out with warm water. For digestive relief, create a warm compress with the mix and apply it to your abdomen for 20 minutes to ease cramps or digestive discomfort. The combination of castor oil and baking soda is truly nature's gift to health. Simple, effective, and powerful, this mixture has the potential to change your daily routine. But remember, consistency is key. Pick one area, whether it's skincare, joint health, or detox, and give it a try. And as always, consult your healthcare provider before trying any new treatments, especially if you're considering internal use. Please remember to click that like button and also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated on all my future videos. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow, and in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.